Hello everybody, welcome. In this video, I am going to talk about grade 12 compulsory English subject. This is a new version of grade 12 compulsory English. In this video, I am going to talk about what sort of lessons are there in language development section and what kind of lessons, what kind of stories, poems, essays, one-act plays are there in literature section. I am going to talk about grade 12 compulsory English. So watch till the end of this video. One more thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video so that we can watch each and every types of content that belongs to grade 12 compulsory English year. Grade 12 compulsory English is going to be implemented in Nepal from the year 2078. That is the new version. Yes, it is at grade 11. Grade 12 compulsory English goes according to that. Especially there are two sections. There, section one is language development. Under this language development, there are altogether uh, 20 units. Altogether 20 units there. So there are different lesson and that belongs to different grammatical items there. Along with these grammatical items, various language skills, focusing on the language skills along with the project works here. Now let's observe what sort of content there in language development section. Unit first is about critical thinking. Under this critical thinking title, students have to learn in reading section know thyself. That is the reading section, and vocabulary defining thinking skills, and they're writing email writing there, in grammar question tag there, and in listening you have to about the speech there, and interviewing in project work. And in the same way in the unit 2 about family there is a reading section in family, and prefix and essay in writing there, and in grammar students have to learn in modal verbs there. Similarly, in the unit 3rd about sports there, in the sports there is a discussion about Euro 2020 there. In the vocabulary, students have to learn about defining sport words with I and A, in writing news story and argumentative essay. And in the grammar, students have to learn about determiners and quantifiers there. Similarly, in unit 4, the title is technology there, and students have to learn in reading section hyperloop, and especially there in vocabulary section about prefixes, and in writing section press release there. In grammar, students have to learn about subject verb agreement in unit 4. Similar in unit 5, the title is education there, and the reading section will be the history of my childhood, and vocabulary will be dictionary work there, and writing will be autobiography, and grammar connectives will be there. And unit 6 about money and economy, there in reading section QR code. Then vocabulary, that is abbreviation words with oo and oo there, and news articles there, and questions in grammar. Similar in unit 7, in reading humor there, why do we laugh inappropriately? Then there is a syllable and description of an event and a person, and adverbs in grammar. In the unit 8, students have to learn about human culture. They're under the reading section land of plenty. Then that is suffixes and paragraph related to the editor. Then adjective and adverbs under grammar. In unit 9, students have to learn about ecology and environment. Under this reading section, will be living in a redwood tree there, and there is a vocabulary practice compound words, and in writing book, film review, drafting speech, and in grammar section reported speech there. That is unit 9. In the same way, under unit 10, students have to learn about career opportunity, that is reading section presenting yourself, vocabulary, that is defining implements, related terms, words with that is writing application letter writing, and civic curriculum height writing, grammar conditional sentences there. Similarly, in unit 11, the title will be hobbies there, and reading section on walking, and vocabulary dictionary work there, and writing essay there, grammar passive voice. Similarly, in unit 12, students have to learn about animal world, and reading section the Medusa and the snail. And vocabulary dictionary work will be there. And in writing section, students have to learn about essay, newspaper article. In grammar, students have to learn about passive voice there. About this unit 12. In the same way, unit 13, students have to learn about especially 11 hobbies there. Title and reading section will be working there, and dictionary work, essay, and passive voice will be at unit 11, and 12 will be animal world, and uh, unit 13 will be history about there. Under this history title, students have to learn in reading section after the old trade center there, and vocabulary defining professional terms with vowel sounds. Then in writing section, students have to learn about description of event essay, and in grammar, students have to learn about preposition, future tense. Uh, then unit 14 is about human rights. Then there is a reading section. I am sorry, the hardest 3 words to say. There is word class descending work in vocabulary and in writing essay there. Under grammar connectives there. Unit 14. Unit 15 is about leisure and entertainment. Leisure and entertainment, that is the reading section or journey back in time. And there is a vocabulary, dictionary work, content words. There is a writing business letter, miscellaneous agreements, that is in grammar section. In unit 16, the title is fantasy, and reading section will be the romance of a busy broker. There is a vocabulary practice, dictionary work, and on the writing summary there, and relative clause will be in grammar there in unit 16. And unit 17 title is war and peace, and there is a reading section, train to Pakistan, and there is a vocabulary practice, dictionary works, suffixes, vowel sound. In writing, paragraph, person, letter, and grammar is past tense there. Similarly, in under the unit 18, there is a reading title is music and creation. Under that, there is a reading section, a life of sound and silence there. Then vocabulary practice will be musical instrument, dictionary work, and stresses. Writing will be biography, and grammar will be preposition there. Similar in unit 19, the title will be there, migration and diaspora. There is a reading section that is diasporization, homeland and hostland. Then there is a vocabulary practice, constant sound syllable. Then in writing, interpretation of chart and grammar, word and is to there. In the last unit of language section, language development section is power and politics. There is a reading section and open letter to Mary Dale. There is a vocabulary, word class, dictionary work, consonant cluster, and in writing, short account article, and grammar is adjective order there. So that is all together 20 units in language development section of compulsory English belongs to grade 12 there. That is all about this language development section. Then we move on to the next section, that is section 2 is the literature section. The first one is language development section, and second one is literature section. Under this literature section, here is to have to learn about some short story and poems, essays here, and one act plays here. So under the short stories, to have to learn about One Neighbors by Tim Winton. Winton. And then next one is A Respectable Woman by Kate Chopin. Then next, Our Devoted Son by Anita Desai. Then next story, The Treasure in the Forest by H.G. Wells. Then next short story, My Old Home by Lujun. Then next 6 number story, The Half-Closed Eyes of Buddha and the Slowly Singing Sun by Shankar Lamisane. And the next 7 one is A Very Old Man with Innermost Wings by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Altogether 7 stories will be there in literature section. Then poems there, you need 2 poems. There are A Day by Emily Dickinson, and next poem is Every Morning I Wake by Dylan Thomas. And then third, I Was My Own Route by Julia de Burgos. Then next, The Awakening Age by Ben Wortley. Then Soft Storm by Abis Subedi. So altogether 5 poems will be there. You student have to learn 5 poems there. Then unit 3 is about essays there. Under the essay, student have to learn about one libraries, Oliver Sacks there. Marriage as a Social Institution by Stephen L. Nock. And next one is Knowledge and Wisdom by Bertrand Russell, and Humility by Yuval Noah Harari. Then next is essay Human Rights and the Age of Inequality by Samuel Moyen. So altogether 5 essay student have to learn 5 essays on the literature section there. Then unit 4 will be one act plays there. So under the one act play, student have to learn A Matter for a Husband by Frank Molnar. Then next two one act play is second one act play is Facing Death, August Strindberg's. Then the third one is The Bull, Himnidhi Tiwari. So altogether, student have to learn 3 one act plays here. Here, especially in literature section, student have to learn 3 one act plays, 5 essays, 5 poems, then 7 stories. Student have to learn in literature section here. That is section 2. In this video, I just deliver a brief introduction of grade 12 compulsory English. If you want to download this e-books, you can go through my description. I have mentioned the link there. You can download the books from there. One more thing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video so that you can get notified when I upload such kind of video in the days to come. Now I like to sign out it here. Thank you very much for watching.